Yo, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Let me put on the LED. Whatever. No idea where the remote for my LEDs are right now. So we'll just continue. We had quite the day on Friday, honestly. I was bullish too, along with everyone else, but like no bullish confirmations. Then it ended up just dropping all day. So that's fine. Didn't lose any money there. That's good, but that begs the question: what are we gonna do today? Are we gonna go for lower? He completely took out and closed below daily fair value gaps, intermediate term low, daily fair value gap here, volume imbalance here. ES also, but that given that like it was a large range day, some people might be like, oh, you're not gonna get anything good today. I think it's a Friday, it's a Monday of NFP week, right? Oh no, that's next week is NFP. Oh, and there's no news today. Yeah, I don't have high expectations for today either. First 5 minutes of the open, it looked like it just weak attempt at a rally for both NQ and ES, and didn't really take out any pre-market high at all. So, if I'm going to find a trade, I'd want it to be before 10:30 today. It's so weird. I can't find my LED remote here. I left it on my desk. Oh well. Oops, sorry. There we go. I feel better now. Am I on East Coast time? Yeah. I'm on New York time. So what you guys are pretty 50-50 on bullish bearish today. 37% bullish, 37% bearish, 26% neutral. Well, at the open, we failed to take out any pre-market highs, and we're dropping to London low. I like mark out the Super Bowl low. Yeah, we did. Okay. So what just happened? Did NQ take out London low? I think it did. It just wicked it and retraced really deep. Mm. Mm. What's a choppy market? I don't really think it's choppy. It's been dropping. Traced a lot here. First FEG of the day is this. Completely inverted it. Didn't really take any buy side. Failed at 8:30 open and midnight open. Pretty heavy below all those opens. What was this range on Friday? It was like huge. 600 points. Today, so far, it's 128 points. You guys are pretty 50-50 on your bias, huh? Yeah, she's just bleeding, like, very similar. It's not really any retracements, it's just bleeding. Hmm. Hmm. We don't have red folder news until Thursday. And PC's Friday. Hmm. I'm seeing it's like this 5-minute FEG here on NQ. See how it holds up. See how this candle closes. It closes below it, showing a lot of weakness. And then maybe you could probably find like a, I don't know. Just doesn't feel that great. Don't love, like, to short. I don't love that we didn't take out any like pre-market liquidity. Don't like that we already took out London low. And this is like in a discount of this whole leg. So that's why I wouldn't just short in here. Do. See if this ends up getting inverted. It isn't like an extreme discount though. So I wouldn't really touch that. Honestly, I'll just tape read that. Wow. Impressive. What is that? That was kind of impressive. Right after inverted that, I just dropped like a trunk. Dropped crazy. Like this next second after. Oh, wow, wow. Right after that 5-minute closed heavy, I guess. Not sure. It was after that, actually. Wait, yeah, right after. No, that was it. And this is actually the close of the 5-minute candle, right? This one. Oh, yeah, okay. Yep, that was extremely. Extremely weak. 'Stay low hit on NQ. Four-hour candle's gonna close in 6 minutes. Yeah, so far the range of the day is only 200 points. So it's quite likely we can go for more, even more sell side, you know? Yes, just hit previous day low here. Pretty much feels like one of those mornings where it's like you just gotta find any little imbalance. So we'll see if I end up finding anything, but we're dropping hard. Mm-hmm. 2 minutes left in this 4 hour. It looks like it's gonna close like basically dead lows. This hourly candle around 730 points. I mean 130 points, right? No, 230. Yeah. Mm-hmm. See on the daily ES is like this previous weekly low. Yeah. A previous weekly low. Oh, the Super Bowl was the 9th, so this is about to hit the Super Bowl low, actually. Okay. Boom, boom. Oops, sorry. So, but anyway, ES hit that low from Sunday to 9th. And Q is probably going to catch up, you know. We'll see. Definitely fast market. Definitely heavy market. What's the range here? 60 points on ES. And Q, it's 300 points. Since the open, we ran down, yeah, pretty much about 280 points, 290. It's crazy. It's not even really tracing into any 1 minute FEGs here. So I'll push down lower. How heavy it is. This is wild. dropping on no news Monday like this. I mean, day after like one huge day was the first down day. But honestly, unless you were shorting that inversion on the 32nd, I don't really see much. Didn't even retrace into much else. Mm. Bum 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 bum. Like literally, this huge FEG is open right now. How big is this? It's like 30 points. Even retrace into this one. It's crazy. See stat map. That's cool that it aligns with that low. You're on the 4-hour, like that distribution. I was looking for that, but literally, like as a draw liquidity, but zero retracements, like literally zero. So can't be mad. My entry just doesn't present itself, and I have like so many entry methods. So whatever. Call your mom. Call your dad. It's dropping. This is what the heat map looks like. Oh. Right now it's yeah. Tesla's down 3.6%, Meta's down 2.7%, Microsoft's down 2.13. Yeah. 2.13. Here we are getting like the first couple of green candles for the first time in a while. See where this retraces to. You have a ton of civvies above. ES retraced back into the fair value gap that broke that like sell side blow. We'll see what ends up happening. Is it gonna invert that or what? What's the low that it went to? 94. $450, that's 94. Interesting. So I'm gonna see what's up here. It's definitely a fast and furious market. We're gonna see if we're gonna get rejected here. Or we're gonna invert this. It's like, oh, there's so many 5-minute civvies above this as well. This is gonna act like this one. We'll see. Sort of made an equal low. Did not take out that low before, so. This entire leg down's wild. Boom, boom. Well, you have something that looks like a V shape right there. Inverted dot. Huge 1 minute FEG. Again, you have, it just retraced to, it didn't retrace to 50% yet either. What day is today? We're overall down only 0.5% in Q today. Okay. Such a tiny Fiji on it, yes. But that is the leg that inverted with a little FE tiny one there and inverted this. So that's going to be interesting. I'll wait until this 1 minute candle closes. I'm not really doing much here. So many 5 minute civvies, I don't know. Did it retrace into 50% of this leg? Yeah, it did, right? Okay. Inverted this. See here. What would that look like? Is that worth it? Oh my god, your stop has to be huge. If I had taken it here, Hmm. 1020. This is an inversion. I think I'll try that, honestly. Alright, I'm in. Let's see how this goes. It looks like I'm immediately in like 8 points profit. Got a 2R there. Let's see. Okay. Combine these, it's like annoying with it. Whatever. From here to here would be 2R. I'd probably take off most there. Yeah. I'd like to see it slowly just draw around. Slow. It could be a slow bleed. It's fine. We'll see. That's ES there. Hands off the mouse now. Honestly, I decided I'd take that trade, and that's that. Yeah. I don't really want it to dig again in here. If it does, with like a displacement, then I'd probably be cooked in like 2 minutes. But I'm gonna go with the general trend of the day. There's still more liquidity below, so. See how that candle closes. Looks fine. Be nice to get some follow through to the downside now that that like rejected there. Back to like break even-ish. I've been in the trade now for 3 minutes or so. Down like 0.2R or so, probably. Okay, cool. Pretty much around the hourly open, where the 10 a.m. opened. Yeah, I'm still pretty happy with this trade, honestly. So if I think there's more downside and I'm shorting around the opening of that 4-hour candle, should be in decent shape. We'll see. I'm okay with this being a slow bleed, honestly. Back in small profit. I'd like to see displacements now. I mean, but like I said, it could just be a slow bleed, but ideally we displace below slow and just drop. It doesn't have to. It could just be kind of slow. Well, the people that tried to long a V-shaped recovery are going to get stopped. If I'm right. So far, it's working in my favor. Up about 24 points or so. Gonna wait. Just gotta wait. How long have I been in this trade for now? Let's see. 8 minutes. Cool. 8 minutes was in drawdown for maybe like 3 minutes. 3 minutes of that. Or less. Around that. Okay. Where's ES at? She weaker? No. That's fine. Like I said, it's okay for this to be a slow bleed. I mean, it could like even take 20 minutes. I don't really care. So far I've been in the trade for 8 minutes. Let me like put on a little timer here. You know, I'd like it to take another maybe 15 minutes on the timer. Let's see where we're at then. And this can totally come back to break even, and I'd be fine. It could even stop me out. I'd be okay. I'm kind of just gonna monitor here. He broke this. Just completely fill this in. Be a little swing high. Then we dropped with a displacement here. Yeah, you don't really want it to come back up here again. But again, it could just reach into here and do some dumb stuff. I don't really care. I'm gonna keep my trade in as it is. Yeah, that's fine. I think it could like maybe have a little rally and like still let the people that long hold on to some hope. I don't know. Don't really care. Also, if I get stopped out, I'm fine too. It only went up like 1 R here. It's not enough for me to partial. Let's see if this is gonna dig up maybe into this imbalance here. This order block. And I have an imbalance order block in this. I think I could move my stop up to this. I think that's like makes sense because this is the former inversion as well. I will, honestly, I will. Maybe I'll take 3 off the table since I've now moved my stop. Okay, I took 3 off the table. Probably for like 20-ish points or so. I'm holding the rest. Took 3 off the table actually for more than that, right? Yeah, 20, 22-ish. My stop will be this little swing high. Yeah. And I do think like this can probably be a slow grind lower. Or should be. I don't really think that this high. Yeah. It's completely imbalanced. So this is an intermediate term high. Completely filled in this little imbalance. And we broke the swing low of a displacement. So it's like an order block, swing high, fair value gap shouldn't get violated. So that's why I'm moving my stop. And then, yeah, we'll see. We are digging up into here. I'm still getting like rejected. We'll mark that out. That's the order block here. It's probably a fair value gap in like probably around midpoint of this swing low. Yeah, right above it. So it could reach up into here, be fine. Yeah. If I do, yeah, it's probably gonna be a slow grind lower if it works out in my favor. Yeah, so it's been about 4 minutes. How many points would I cop on that if it would be over 100-point trade, so we will pull out the money gun if this works out, yeah. Cool. Yeah, I did name this Super Bowl low. We're America. This is America. America. It'd be fine if it reaches and takes out this little high into this imbalance. I wouldn't worry. Yep. As I expected, it is pretty slow, move lower. You know, when I put 15 minutes, there's like 8 minutes left in this. But you know, if you're looking for a 100-point move, it's probably going to take longer than 10 minutes. Unless you're caught up in on the right side of a Trump headline. Anyway, hit the like button if you're enjoying the stream, if you learned anything, if you're learning anything. You know, missed out on this whole move lower, was super patient, ended up getting short here. Doesn't look like we're going to work out towards the target. But so far, really liking my discipline and patience today. Like this could potentially even just have a little bounce off here and then back into here. I wouldn't really worry about it. That could potentially happen. I'm like preparing my psyche for that. You know? And if you want, you could always take a partial there. But I'm not. I already took a partial. But we did displace again. Well, let's see. Is this going to be the displacement? No. So it could definitely reach up again into here. Go like that. We'll see. I don't really care either way. On the 30-second, it did displace. But, you know, I entered this on the 1 minute, so I don't want to really manage it on the 30-second. If you enter on the 1 minute, you should manage on 1 minute or higher. That's that. These are some smooth highs into an imbalance here. We need a magic paintbrush today. We do. But I knew it was going to be freaking slow, you guys. Did I not say it? Starting from here. Why? Because, like, well, I don't know, because you just missed out on this, like, super fast move. It's probably going to be a slow move next. So, even if you have the draw right. Magic paintbrush. Oh, magic paintbrush. But like I said, I could do this too. But I prefer, you know, obviously a drop here, but whatever. I think it's just going to be slow. Whatever it decides to do will be slow. I'm probably a little uncomfortable, but it's not too uncomfortable if you're in profit, right? It's uncomfortable if it retraces, yeah. But you have to just embrace it. Embrace the discomfort. Bum, 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 bum. Yep. Because it's like still 10:40. You have time. This is 11:10. How long have I been in this trade for now? About 20 minutes. Makes sense. Yeah, I anticipate this will take like 30-ish minutes or more. What's the hourly look like here? Yeah, where I entered it was, I remember the hourly, I was literally near the 10 a.m. open. That should be good. The timer is like 3 minutes left. This is just me keeping time, tracking time. Sometimes it feels like it goes forever, right? When you're in an alert state, time does pass by slower. If you're in a calm state, time passes by quicker. Definitely a thing. Perception of time. We have a little SMT there at the time. Yes, nah, but whatever. It's just a slow move lower. I have the time today. I do. I got the time today. Okay, Anki, I got the time today. You know, it's kind of interesting. Yeah, did this completely exactly fill this? Yeah. That made it intermediate turn low. As soon as this gets taken out, I do anticipate, especially with displacement, that I'll move my stop to break even. This is now an intermediate term low. It should, we can make another swing low here, but, this should get broken if I'm right. And then, the rest of sell side should get hit. So let's find out. Ideally, it gets hit with broken foot displacement somewhere. Ideally we start dropping. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Come on, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Magic paintbrush. Magic paintbrush says drop. Magic paintbrush says drop. 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 Okay, broke it. Yeah, we should, there's my little alarm clock. You should be distributing lower. The fact that we didn't displace though annoys the shit out of me right now. Well, I guess we did it on the 32nd. Slightly. I should just walk away and let the chair manage the rest of the trade now. I hate this. I hate these slow grind lower. I literally said it's probably going to do this and sucks. 10:45. Where's the midpoint of this order block? People are saying, why don't you put there's probably people that are saying, why aren't you put your stop break even now? Well, because we didn't displace here, and I feel as though, it could retrace here and still be valid for lower, and there could be a wild wick that just lasts 10 seconds, and I'd be more pissed if I get stopped out like that. But it looks like, as we're dropping here again, let's see how many swing lows. 1, 2, 1. How many swings low? How many legs lower do we have right now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Since some buy side could get taken now. Yeah, 4. So now I do think we should be distributing lower, especially it's 10:46. Now after this one, you know, I will put my stop break even now. Okay, my stop's break even finally. Yeah, we should see it start. Should see a hit soon. Up 78 points here. Yeah, we'll pull out the money gun if this works out to 100 plus points, which is going to be here. If it hits new low day. Just gotta be patient. I said it was gonna take a long time. I'm psychic. I'm not psychic, I just like anticipate price action. If you anticipate that, it helps you stay more patient, right? Because like how long have I been in this trade now? Probably 30 minutes. 27 minutes. Thanks for subscribing. Hit that like button if you're enjoying the show. Nah, you're not just gonna stop right here. I'm sorry. Especially ES is not hitting that low yet. Nah. I'm gonna wait. Just keep swimming. It's pretty much following like pretty low resistance liquidity run lower. Just saying, like it's just been going kind of slow, but it's following it. It's not high resistance. Just keep swimming. What do? We swim, swim, swim. That retracement's fine. Take a nap. 32 minutes I've been in this trade. How many people are watching now? I bet there's probably a ton of people watching. 3,000 people watching. Hit that like button. You know, entered it live. Stayed in drawdown for 3 minutes live. Talked about it. It's still valid. Welcome, Andreas, to the Bagel Buddies. Here we are. I said that this is fine retracement. If this had taken out this like with a displacement, then I'd probably be cautious. Because then it would be like 1, 2, 3 PD arrays sort of failing if you consider this a swing high. But looks like it's making our way downtown, walking fast, faces passing, we're homebound. And I need you, and I miss you. And now I wonder, I could fall into the sky. Think time could pass me by. Oh, you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. It's taking forever, for real. For real, for real, for real, for real, for real. Any thought on partial, please? Dude, if you're in this trade, do what you want, dude. I'm a streamer. Don't follow my trades. I say don't copy me. Part of this, you could take it partial, sure. Part of me not taking partial is also I want 100 points and entertainment value. Like, not gonna lie. But also just letting the play out to its full extent. I know it was going to take a long time. It's just following the plan. Like, from where I entered, it's probably over 2R, right? To here, it probably is over 2R right now. Oh, no, it's just 1.6. This is 2R. Okay, so exactly. Like, why are you so scared of holding on to a winning trade? You have to think about that. People are too scared when they're holding on to winning trades. Why? They're so afraid of losing. They're so afraid of... But if you do that, if you keep cutting your profits short, that's really bad on the long run. Really bad. Because my winners make up for my losers. Like, you know, again, 20 points loss here and there. Now I'm making 100 points. I'm gonna let them run. I have an open P&L right now of $860 there. If it gets here, it's like 1,000. Which probably will soon. By 11:10, I think. Just let it work out. If I end up seeing it, you know, start to disrespect, then I'll probably cut the trade for like a 1R or so. But let it work out. It's really close. Magic paintbrush, magic paintbrush. Magic, magic paintbrush. Magic, magic paintbrush. Is there another streamer today that caught 100 points? Let me know. Doubt it. See if I even do it. We're at 85 points right now. I should just walk away, let the chair do it. Let the chair stream. Chair is better than 85%, 95% of traders. Sometimes the chair is even better than me. Doesn't even do anything. What's the point? Just needs to stop in. Yes, it's probably going to hit new low day as well. Yeah, so can you imagine how many people here were longing in this because they saw that V-shaped recovery? They're been in pain. Another retracement I don't really care much about. Like this move, the pushes up are very lethargic. Oh, 10:59. You have one large retracement there. See how that candle closes? If it closes within that little inversion, I'm totally fine with that too. Close within it. Yes, and not even hit new low day yet, right? Yeah. Monitoring this now. There hasn't been a displacement there. It's all the way down here. I'm gonna hold. I'm still holding. $11.02. So the new hourly candle just opened. It's possible it retraces. It's possible I get stopped at break even. Possible that people are taking profits, but I'm holding. If I get stopped at break even, I don't really care. It's held up here. Yep, I'm gonna hold. My entry was like 43 or something, right? 40, 29, 25. Sure, I don't really love that we took out that swing high. We're kind of holding this inside the top half of that inversion. How long am I in this trade now? 45 minutes. Oh. That 15-minute candle is like digging up. Let's see. Am I gonna get stopped at break even? Oh, is my stop at 38? Oh well. 40.25. 40.25. If I get stopped at break even, I only leave this trade with like 22 points in profit. I really don't care. We'll see. Okay, just took out some highs into, well, we didn't even get into this imbalance, did we? Yep. This is the last line in the sand for the shorts. All right, pretty good rejection there. Now I just wanted to reject that bullish FEG. Let's see it now, reject everything here. Everyone that tried to long this little trend line. It'd be nice. Otherwise, I'm going to get stopped out. So, we'll see. Came about, what was that high? 35, came 5 points between before my stop. Let's see. I don't really care, whichever one it does. CES. Did the same thing, basically. Okay. The last line for the bear is held for now. They're kind of fun. Boom, 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 boom. For now, we'll see. Is it going to make another swing high? Is it going to stop and stop here, make this? Is it going to make a swing high? Or is this going to be the swing high here? And then we take out the sell side in like another freaking hour. Who knows how long it's going to take. I like that rejection though. I like it. Just need to see more speed now to the downside, honestly. Oh, another slow grind lower. I don't care. I don't care. I got the time today. Waited, and I took only one trade. Just inverted that 1 minute. That's decent. Let's see what happens. Probably slow grind lower. Might as well go make some lunch, but it's only 11:11. Reaching up again. There's a tiny little volume imbalance here. Will that hold it down? We don't know. We'll see. For the bears to hold price lower, should. Likely. Let's see. Otherwise, I get stopped out, break even. I really don't care. It's a Monday. Da-da-dum. Bum, bum, bum. Looks like it held it. So let's make a new swing low, yeah? Let's make a new swing low. Be great. Great for me. Break below this would be great for me. See, this candle closes. What the hell just happened? Okay, bro. I think a different layout loaded just now. Sucks. There we are. Really is just slow as hell, so. I don't care if I get stopped. I don't care if it even goes to my target. I kind of just want to let my chair do it. Let my chair work it out because, you know, I don't want to micromanage. If you cut this prematurely and then it ends up going to profit, you know how annoyed you'd be? Bum, 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 bum. Is that Harry Potter? I'm not making a new swing high or a new swing low at the moment. We're literally in this range now. Be nice to go make a new swing low. For like 12 points, 10 points below my stop out. I'm like 5 points within it earlier. And Q is down how much percent today? Just 0.69. Digging back up into that little imbalance. Not really doing much. See, at the end of this next 35 seconds, at the end of this 1 minute candle. Harry Potter. Yeah, just wicked it. Did we make an equal high there? I wouldn't really love that. That high is 35. This high is 35.75. No, we didn't. It's like 6 points below my stop out, you guys. 5 points. 5, 4, 1 point. I think I saw 3 ticks. It didn't stop me out yet. What's this high? Yeah, game 3 ticks. You really don't care. Let it do it. No, didn't do it yet. This is peak entertainment right now. Three points below my stop. 2, 3. There we go. Well, that's it for today. I didn't get my 100-point win. No banger for the money gun. Sorry. Don't really care, honestly, but that's a Monday for you. When this closed here, what would have been the RR? Probably 1R from my original. About a 1R. That was the other option. I would have rather it come back to my break even. But yeah, we're going to see. Now we have some little SMT there with ES taking out this Super Bowl low, and NQ did not quite do that yet. And like I said, I'm really not worried if I'm stopped out break even. Then later on in the day, I can, not in the day, but maybe in the week, if it ends up turning out to be more bearish, you do have this liquidity here. And that's that. So just tiny profit today. It would be kind of funny if, if this little inversion ends up being the shift up higher, then I'd be really happy with my trade. But yep, that's it. Showed up on a Monday, got some profit, didn't work out to the new low day. And I'm fine with that. The move up higher was so slow. On the 5, you could see that. On the 5 here. I don't know. I don't really have much of a bias for the rest of the day. I guess I'd have to just look at the 5 later on. This gets taken or not, if there's an S&T here or not, and then, you have a lot of balanced price action here. So that's that. Pretty happy. Hope everyone else is having a decent day. Don't be a degenerate today. You can see that we just had this huge move lower, tried for more, super slow move, reversed. This 10 hit before 10, the Super Bowl low on ES. 10, yeah. So then, I'd probably I think I'll come back at 1:30 today and check out what the price action looks like. We hit that low right at 10. Okay. Like I said, pretty happy with today. We'll check out price action again at 1:30 today. Let me know if I should stream the afternoon session. What's the range today so far? Yeah, I thought we could go lower, especially with 600 points. So 375. Okay. 4 hour. Plus you have that distribution on stat map. Okay. Sounds good. I'm going to come back probably. Well, leave a comment or hit the like button. I'll consider, okay, there's 785 likes. If we hit like 900 likes on this stream, then you got me for the afternoon. Have a great day. Hope everyone's doing well. Like I said, I don't care if I got stopped at break-even there. I would have rather. That's exactly my process. / I did want 100 points on stream. Not gonna lie, but didn't let that deter me. I'm happy I put that there. The other option was to take off 1R here, like I said. I still want to hold. And now we'll have to see what's up at 130. Yeah, that's it. Other than that, I'm going to put on cold turkey and chill out. Let's see. Pretty chill day, though. Not going to lie, it was a pretty chill day. Pretty happy. Yep. Well, have a great one. Don't be a degenerate today, okay?